Hi, my name is Jihanna Blarisha, and for this slide, I'll be explaining 1.1, which is concept and definition. So, as for quality standard, it means it is a set of documented criteria that an organization follows to make sure its processes and outputs meet expected levels of quality. As for work efficiency, it is how well tasks are completed by using the least amount of time, effort, or resources while still achieving the desired results. Now, as for conducive working environment, it is having conditions that help employees feel comfortable, focused, and productive. Now, I'll be explaining 1.2, which is importance of EKSA implementation in public sector. So, the first importance is it helps to create a better and a more conducive workplace. It can also improve work efficiency and productivity. Next, it can improve public service delivery. Fourth, it helps to build discipline and responsibility among public servants. And lastly, it encourages continuous improvement and innovation in the public sector. Now, let's look at 1.3, which is profile of the administrative block UiTM Machang. So, it serves as the main hub for administrative and support services, assisting students, academic staff, and campus operations. It also houses key units such as Students Affairs Divisions, Co-Curricular Unit, Research Industry Community and Alumni Relations Division, Corporate Communication Unit, Rector's General Office Administration Division, Rector's Office, Academic Affairs Division, and Treasurer's Office. Now, let's look at the floor plan of ground floor of the administrative block UiTM Machang. So, the ground floor of the administrative block at UiTM Machang consists of the Students Affairs Division, Meeting Room, Customer Service Counter, Co-Curricular Unit, and Research Industry Community and Alumni Relations Division. Now we'll be moving on to the first floor of the administrative block at UiTM Machang, which consists of the Corporate Communications Unit, Rector's General Office Administration Division, Rector's Office, and Academic Affairs Division. Now let's look at the second floor of the administrative block UiTM Machang, which consists of Lecturer's Room and Treasurer's Office. So the last part for 1.3, which is the parking area of the administrative block UiTM Machang. Now, the parking area provided near the administrative block consists of 56 roof parking spaces, 65 open parking spaces, 1 disabled parking space, and 7 motorcycle parking spaces. Now, this table basically shows the facilities and offices located in the administrative block of UiTM Machang. It lists the departments and rooms available on each floor, including the ground floor, first floor, second floor, and the parking area.
Hello, I'm Nick, and now I will be presenting our proposed improvements to enhance UiTM's corporate image. Firstly, I will discuss the improvement of the main lobby area. A corporate image refers to creating a professional and welcoming environment that reflects the agency's brand and identity. Since the lobby is the first area visitors see when entering the building, it plays an important role in creating a positive first impression. Based on our observation, the current lobby already has a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere through the use of colors that represent UiTM's identity. However, there are still areas for improvement, particularly in visitor navigation and access to information. One issue identified is the lack of a clear directory system. Visitors, especially first-time visitors, may have difficulty locating offices and departments. Important information such as office location and operating hours is also not easily accessible. To address this issue, we propose installing a directory board, a digital directory kiosk, and operational information board in strategic location within the lobby. The directory board will provide a clear overview of office and department locations, while the digital directory kiosk will allow visitors to search for offices and services more easily. In addition, modern facilities such as the digital directory kiosk will strengthen UiTM's corporate image and leave a positive impression on visitors. This improvement will enhance visitor convenience, reduce confusion, improve workplace efficiency, and create a more organized and professional environment. The operational information board also will display important information such as operating hours, notice, announcement, and the organizational chart of the department. This allows visitors, students, and staff to easily access relevant information and better understand the organization. Next, I will present our proposed improvements for the Level 3 Lecturers Room Directory Board. The Directory Board is important because it helps students, staff, and visitors locate lecturer offices and navigate the area efficiently. However, our observation found that the current directory board can be improved in terms of appearance. The information is not presented as it is supposed to be, which may make it difficult for users to find specific lecturer rooms. In addition, the existing design does not fully reflect your ITM's professional standards. Therefore, we propose replacing the existing directory board with a more modern and professional design. Lecturer room information should be arranged systematically using a clear layout, consistent fonts, and proper headings. We also recommend incorporating better lighting and a cleaner frame design to improve visibility and overall appearance. These improvements will make it easier for users to locate lecturer offices, improve readability, reduce confusion, and strengthen the professional image of the faculty. A modern and well-organized directory board will also create a more welcoming and visually appealing environment for visitors. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today I would like to present our proposed improvement for the lecturers' room corridor area. Based on the current condition, the corridor appears crowded and less organized due to the placement of furniture, chairs and unused items along the walkway. This situation reduces space efficiency and may affect the comfort and movement of staff, students and visitors. To address this issue, we propose creating a cleaner, more organized and functional corridor environment. First, the furniture arrangement will be improved by removing unnecessary items and arranging the remaining furniture systematically. This will maximize space utilization and provide a smoother movement flow throughout the corridor. As a result, the area will look tidier, more professional and more comfortable for users. Second, better lighting can be installed to create a brighter and more welcoming atmosphere. Improved lighting not only enhances visibility but also contributes to safety and accessibility within the corridor. In addition, decorative elements such as indoor plants and UITM corporate identity features can be incorporated into the corridor design. These additions will enhance the visual appeal of the space while reinforcing UITM's professional and corporate image. Overall, these improvements will transform the corridor into a cleaner, safer, and more attractive environment. A well-organized corridor will create a positive impression on visitors and provide a more comfortable experience for everyone who uses the area. That's all from me.
The current workstation has excessive physical document and file, making the workspace cluttered and less efficient. Exposed cable and extension plugs also create an untidy appearance, while the heavy reliance on paper documents reduces available working space and slows down document retrieval. To improve workplace innovation, physical documents can be digitized through cloud storage and a centralized database. Cable management system and charging station can create a neater workspace, while paperless processes such as digital forms and online approvals help improve efficiency and reduce paper dependency. The 2.2 creativity and innovation. So, for the before, there is no innovation corner and limited collaboration and idea sharing. And the third point, which is workspace lack of 3R improvement, which is reuse, reduce, and recycle. After the improvement, the workspace is transformed into a more innovative and collaborative environment that supports EKSA principle. An innovation corner and a creative breakout zone are introduced to provide staff with a dedicated space for brainstorming, sharing improvement, ideas, showcasing Kaizen project. This encourages activities, creativity, teamwork, and continuous learning among the employees. In addition, 3R initiative, which stand for resurfacing, restoration, and rehabilitation, are implemented to upgrade existing facilities and maintain a clean, functional, and professional workplace. Overall, this improvement creates a more engaging and visually appealing work environment while strengthening the organization culture of innovation, continuous improvement, and workplace excellence in line with EXA objective. Before the improvement, the restroom area did not fully reflect EXA objective of creating a clean, attractive, and sustainable workplace. The area lacked aesthetic features and innovative elements that could provide a more welcoming environment for users. In addition, there were no 3R initiatives such as the use of recycle of repurposed material to promote environmental sustainability. Several facilities also show a sign of wear and aging, which affected the overall appearance and professionalism of the restroom. This condition indicated that the improvement were needed to enhance both the functionality and visual appeal of the area while encouraging greater environmental awareness among staff and visitors. After the improvement, the restroom area became more cleaner and more attractive and environmentally friendly through the implementation of 3R initiative, which stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycle and repurposed material are creatively used to produce functional items such as waste bin, storage organizer, and decorative features. This addition not only improved the appearance of the restroom but also encourages users to appreciate sustainable practices. At the same time, the upgraded facilities creates a more comfortable and welcoming environment for staff and visitors. Overall, these improvements strengthen environmental awareness, promote innovation, and support EKSA goals of maintaining a professional, sustainable, and continuously improving workplace.
Hi everyone, now we are moving on for the green practices in the recycling waste disposal. Before the improvement, the recycling bins were available, but the area did not fully comply with EKSA standards. There were limited educational signs to encourage proper waste segregation, and the recycling station lacked organization. The fire extinguisher also had no operation instructions, which also could affect the emergency response. Now, after the improvement, recycling and environmental awareness posters were installed to educate users on proper waste disposal. A fire extinguisher instruction board also added, and decorative plants enhanced the appearance of the area. This improvement promotes safety, sustainability, and a better EXA compliance. Moving on, before the improvement, the air conditioner in some classes in the administration zone was operating while the window was left open, causing energy wastage. The wall beneath the units also stained, and exposed wiring also created an untidy appearance that did not reflect EXA working standards. After the improvement, energy-saving reminders signs were installed and the windows are kept closed during air conditioner operation. The wall also was cleaned and repainted while the cables were neatly arranged, creating a cleaner, safer, and more energy-efficient environment. Moving on in the wash basin area in the public restroom. Before the improvement, the sinks, countertops, and mirrors shows a visible dirt and stain. Toiletries were arranged in a cluttered manner, and there were no water-saving reminders. This condition reduced cleanliness and do not fully support the EXA standards. After the improvement, the hand washing station is kept clean through regular maintenance, while toiletries are neatly organized in designated containers. Water conservation posters were also installed to encourage responsible water usage, creating a cleaner and more environmentally friendly restroom to the people.
Now I'll be talking about recommendations. So to further strengthen EXA implementation at the administrative block, there are four main recommendations that can be carried out. First, an EXA awareness campaign should be organized within the administrative block. Now this can help remind staff, students, and even visitors about the importance of cleanliness, proper arrangement, and taking care of shared facilities. Second, regular extra briefing sessions should be conducted for administrative staff, lecturers, and support staff. These briefings can help them understand the purpose of EXA, the responsibilities, and how EXA can improve work efficiency and service quality. Third, EXA team activities should be carried out to encourage active involvement. Activities such as gotong royong, poster competitions, quizzes, or even best EXA zones awards can make EXA more interesting and motivate everyone to participate. Lastly, the administrative block should appoint XR representative for each unit. This representative can monitor their areas, remind staff to follow XR practices, and report issues that need improvement. Overall, these efforts can help create a cleaner, safer, more organized, and professional environment. So, to wrap up our presentation, we have made a conclusion that the corridor area should be prioritized for improvement because it has the most visible issues in terms of cleanliness, organization, lighting, and space management. Now, by rearranging furniture, removing clutter, improving lighting, and adding greenery or even UITM corporate elements, the corridor can become more comfortable, systematic, and professional. Now, this improvement best supports EKSA implementation because it directly enhances workplace efficiency, safety, and the overall image of the administrative block. That is all from us. Thank you.